Hey everybody, it's Don MacPherson with 12 Geniuses, and I wanted to let you know that recently on the podcast, I had an interview with Gino Wickman, the best-selling author and business guru, and we talked about the future entrepreneur. It's a strange conversation to have when so many entrepreneurs and business owners are being hammered by COVID-19, but Gino reminded me that now is the time when great entrepreneurs are born. We talked about his latest book, Entrepreneurial Leap, and the traits necessary to be a successful entrepreneur. We also talked about the mistakes that entrepreneurs typically make and 9 steps necessary in order to build a successful business. If you're an entrepreneur in the making, you won't want to miss this conversation. You can listen to it at 12geniuses.com or on your favorite podcast app. Thanks for listening, and as always, thank you for being a genius.